everybody, it's Frank from Motorvate. I just want to give you an update on the GTR Gauges. This has been my navigation test bench, and it's been great to test stuff here so I don't have to keep running out to my car. Now, what I have right here, as we can see, it's version 1 of the GTR MFD converter circuit board. And as you can see, there's 20 there. So I'm just going to start to do some assembly work of these. I'll be testing them locally starting on Sunday, so that's 2 days from now. Now, going along with the GTR MFD converter is of course our Bluetooth servo sensor, and this is a device that goes underneath the hood, so it needs a waterproof enclosure like I have right here. The circuit board will fit right in there. It's held down with a couple of screws, and we've got this watertight top right there. I chose a clear top because we got some status LEDs, so at a glance we can tell if things are working, so that's quite helpful. And all this other stuff here is just different things that are used to get some of this stuff figured out, and you'll be seeing more of that down the road. So the good news is progress is being made on the GTR MFD converter and the Bluetooth sensor server. Now, I've also done something else. I've also made a CAN bus sensor server. So why would I do that? Well, according to Eugene, shortly on the VQ platform, they will allow CAN bus input into Ecutech. So I thought, oh, let me just put a board together, and that's something that we can use. As we can see down the side there, we can use it for oil pressure, auxiliary 1, which could be fuel pressure, or even ethanol percent. Coming from an ethanol sensor. So got some testing to do, but just trying to be very flexible in what we can offer here. So anyways, so that in a nutshell is what's been going on behind the scenes, and it's getting very exciting because it's going to be time to go testing. All right, that's all I got for now. Thanks.